In this video, the focus is on the HUMO transaction, the handling unit monitor in SAP. This function provides a clear display, tracking, and management of handling units, abbreviated as HU. Handling units are logistical entities composed of packaging materials and the goods contained within. They are managed in the system as independent objects with their own numbering and form a central element in the logistics process chain, particularly in the areas of goods receipt, warehouse management, picking, and shipping. To open the monitor, start the HUMO transaction. After launching, a selection screen appears, allowing targeted searches for handling units. On this screen, the handling unit number can be entered directly if known. Alternatively, a wide range of selection fields are available, such as warehouse number, system status, or packaging material type. In practical scenarios, searches are often performed for handling units that belong to a specific storage location, shipping order, or particular delivery. After entering the desired selection criteria, click on Execute to display the results list. On the results screen, a structured overview of all handling units matching the criteria appears. The results list is presented in a table format and shows, among other details, the HU number, creation date, packaging material, the current HU status, as well as the contained material and the packed quantity. Through navigation within the list, each handling unit can be selected individually and displayed in detail. Once a handling unit is marked, detailed information can be retrieved by clicking the Display Selected HUs button. This detailed view contains several tabs with comprehensive information about the handling unit. On the Weight Volume Dim tab, for example, the tare weight, load weight, and total weight of the unit are displayed. In addition, volume data and dimensions such as length, width, and height can be maintained or viewed here. On the left-hand side, the packaging hierarchy is displayed. It shows which materials are contained within the handling unit, including material number, quantity, and unit of measure. In this example, the pallet contains a material with the number Spark 333 in a quantity of 50 pieces. In more complex packaging hierarchies, it may also be visible whether further subordinate handling units are nested within this unit. In addition to pure display, HUMO also offers various action options depending on user authorization. For example, a handling unit can be directly modified from the monitor. It is also possible to open subsequent documents such as deliveries, goods receipts, or transport orders, provided the corresponding links exist in the system. Furthermore, the HU status can be changed, or a handling unit can be released for shipping. These functions are particularly relevant in the day-to-day operations of warehouse or shipping staff. In summary, the HUMO transaction offers a central point of access for controlling and tracking logistical units in the SAP system. It enables flexible selection, structured display of packaging units, and easy navigation into related processes.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.